if you can go on to your website, the Home Affairs, there's a bulletin or a list of critical and scarce skills in the country, right? And this is worldwide. One of the biggest skill that is being sought after by the market is the skill of critical thinking.
Good day, grade 12s. Today, we are exploring an important law called the Compensation for Occupational Injuries and Diseases Act, COIDA, of 1993. This legislation protects employees from financial hardships caused by injuries, illnesses, or even death while performing their work duties. COIDA encourages workplace safety and provides compensation for affected employees or their dependents, ensuring fair treatment in the workplace. What is COIDA? The Compensation for Occupational Injuries and Diseases Act regulates how compensation is provided to employees or their families in cases of work-related injuries, illnesses, or fatalities. Businesses contribute to a compensation fund, which pays for these claims, rather than requiring employers to bear the cost directly. For instance, if a truck driver is injured in an accident while working, COIDA ensures that medical costs and other related expenses are covered. This system creates a safety net for employees without creating excessive financial strain on employers. The primary purpose of COIDA is to protect employees financially if they experience work-related injuries or illnesses. It provides compensation for medical expenses, disability, or loss of income. Who is covered and not covered by COIDA? COIDA applies to most employees who are injured or contract diseases while working. However, there are specific exclusions. Those covered include permanent employees, temporary workers, apprentices, and trainees. Those not covered include independent contractors, domestic workers employed in private households, members of the South African National Defence Force and South African Police Services who have separate compensation structures, and employees working outside South Africa for more than 12 continuous months. How do businesses pay contributions under COIDA? Employers are required to register with the Compensation Fund, managed by the Department of Employment and Labor. Contributions are calculated annually based on the business's total payroll and the risk classification of the industry. Payments are made directly to the fund, and employers must keep proof of payment. Failing to pay contributions on time can lead to penalties or interest charges, making compliance essential. Employee and employer responsibilities under COIDA. Both employees and employers have critical roles to ensure COIDA operates effectively. Employees must act responsibly to avoid injuries caused by deliberate actions or negligence. They are required to report injuries or illnesses to their employers as soon as possible, provide medical documentation for claims, and follow prescribed treatments to aid their recovery. Employers, on the other hand, must register with the Compensation Fund, maintain a safe working environment, and ensure that all workplace incidents are promptly reported to the Compensation Commissioner. Additionally, they must assist employees in completing claims and keep records of workplace incidents for at least 4 years. Employers who fail to fulfill these responsibilities may face severe penalties or legal consequences. COIDA provides significant advantages to both employers and employees, fostering a safer and more secure workplace environment. Benefits for employers. COIDA offers employers robust protection through its no-fault compensation system, shielding them from costly legal battles and lawsuits filed by injured employees or their dependents. This system ensures that claims are handled through the Compensation Fund, reducing the employer's financial and legal liabilities. Additionally, compliance with COIDA simplifies the claims process, minimizing administrative burdens and avoiding the complexities of litigation. The Act also serves as a catalyst for workplace safety. By mandating adherence to safety protocols, COIDA encourages employers to prioritize the health and well-being of their employees. This not only reduces the risk of accidents and claims, but also enhances employee morale and productivity. Moreover, businesses that demonstrate a commitment to employee safety often enjoy positive branding, which can attract and retain top talent in competitive markets. Benefits for employees. For employees, COIDA provides crucial financial security in the face of workplace injuries, diseases, or fatalities. It ensures that workers and their dependents receive compensation for medical expenses, loss of income, and disability benefits, offering peace of mind during challenging times. Employees are also assured access to quality medical care and rehabilitation services, aiding their recovery and enabling them to return to work. Importantly, COIDA guarantees fair compensation regardless of fault, removing the need for employees to engage in lengthy legal disputes. The Act also protects workers from discriminatory practices, ensuring equitable treatment for all employees, irrespective of their gender, race, or other personal factors. This protection, coupled with the financial and medical support COIDA provides, enhances job satisfaction and productivity among employees. COIDA across different industries. The level of risk and specific requirements for compliance under COIDA vary by industry. For example, in the construction industry, employers must prioritize safety training and personal protective equipment to address risks such as falls or machinery accidents. In the mining industry, ventilation systems, health screenings, and emergency protocols are essential to counter hazardous conditions. Even in office-based jobs, COIDA emphasizes the need for ergonomic workstations and mental health support to address repetitive strain injuries and stress-related conditions. COIDA as compulsory insurance. COIDA serves as a form of compulsory insurance, ensuring that employees are protected without the need for direct legal claims against employers. All employers must contribute to the fund, which pools resources to provide compensation. This system creates a balanced framework where employees are supported, and employers are not financially overburdened by individual claims. Consequences of non-compliance with COIDA carries significant risks. Employers who fail to register or report incidents may face fines and penalties. In cases of severe negligence, they could face criminal charges. Non-compliance can also result in employers being held directly liable for paying compensation, leading to financial strain. Beyond legal and financial repercussions, non-compliance can damage a business's reputation and affect its operations. Steps to comply with COIDA. To comply with COIDA, businesses must take proactive measures. They need to provide a safe workplace with necessary safety equipment and training, register with the compensation fund, and keep records of workplace incidents for at least 4 years. Timely reporting of accidents and assisting employees with claims are critical steps. Employers should also invest in regular safety training and inspections to minimize risks and ensure compliance. Discriminatory Actions Prohibited by COIDA. COIDA prohibits all forms of discrimination in the workplace. Employers may not refuse to lodge claims based on an employee's race, gender, or personal characteristics. They also cannot delay processing claims because of biases, such as frequent absenteeism or late coming, withholding compensation payments as a form of punishment, providing safety equipment or training selectively, or delaying submissions for certain employees are also considered discriminatory and violate COIDA's principles. Why COIDA is important. COIDA is essential for protecting employees and employers alike. It provides financial security for employees in cases of workplace injuries or illnesses, while shielding employers from direct lawsuits. By adhering to COIDA, businesses create a culture of safety and responsibility, fostering a healthier and more productive workforce. Through understanding and compliance, both employees and employers benefit from a safer and more equitable work environment. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please consider sharing the video with a friend. If you want to support what the classroom does, please consider supporting the classroom by donating a small amount of your choosing through the Zapper and Snap Scan link on your screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out.